Solution to this example, first thing we asked is to take this sheet, and I click and hold, and notice it's telling me I'm holding it, and I'm going to move it over here and let go, so I've got it to the left of other tools. We then asked to change the name, so we could either double click on it or right click on it and say rename, and what we're going to call it is sheet and panes. Okay, so that's done, and then what we need to do is freeze the panes on the sheet, because we don't, when we scroll down we want to see this, and when we scroll to the right we want to see the housing. So the way to do that is I can click in this cell, I'm going to view, freeze panes, and when I click freeze panes, you'll see now when I go to the right, column A is always there, and when I go down, row 3 is always there.